Right now, deep inside your machinery, things are changing. Rotating bearings, components, and shafts are all wearing, and as they wear, they begin to vibrate. But you can take control. Gone are the days of infrequent manual data collection and analysis. Now you have the capability to automatically collect data, analyze data, diagnose faults, prescribe maintenance action. By detecting vibration at an early stage, analysing its unique signature and understanding how it affects operating conditions, you can plan ahead and decide when or if proactive maintenance intervention is required. That's why we developed VibraConnect, our online vibration monitoring service, to put you back in control of the future of your assets. Our VibraConnect service draws on logic-based algorithms and our deep knowledge of rotating equipment and condition monitoring experience. With VibraConnect, you get real-time vibration sensor data to help understand your critical and hard-to-reach machine assets. You prevent unplanned downtime, cut your costs, and improve safety and productivity. Here's how it works. Your local ERIC specialist will carry out a short technical assessment to define the optimum monitoring methodology, test signal strengths, and ensure connectivity. We then install the monitoring hardware on your assets and connect them to the ERIC's Smart Asset Management platform, where alerts and notifications are set up. You then have full access to the platform, giving you a digital record of your assets with automatic diagnosis and maintenance recommendations. You'll receive daily email updates on the condition of each asset with guidance to enable you to plan and schedule maintenance at the optimum time. You'll also get a regular health check and technical support from experts at our remote monitoring centre. So if you want a smart VibraConnect service that protects your assets and gives you total peace of mind, or if you're looking to switch to a smarter service, talk to us today. You prevent unplanned downtime, cut your costs, and improve safety and productivity.